What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building. What we're going to do today, we're going to cover Monday's game plan. Hope everybody had an exciting weekend. It's that time again where the next day we go ahead and try to get back after it. Get back after the bag. That being said, let's go ahead and jump into our first ticker, which is going to be Palantir. But guys, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. Palantir has been under pressure. We got all the way to what, 29.80, and man, they have been getting smacked ever since. What we want to see for Monday morning, the bulls start breaking this level over here at 24.80. They start breaking 24.80. They got another area of interest sitting at 24.90. They start breaking that, we're going to start making that run back up to level around 25.55. We'll handle in real time once they start smacking through that. But if they start getting bullish candles and start closing above this area, 25.60, they're going to start running up to this stuff up in here, 25.85, and trying to smack through that to continue to go higher. If you are a bear and you still looking for some bearish plays, what you want to see, this level down here at 24.50 get taken out. They can start taking out that level. We got a little area around 24.25. They break through that, they're going to start going through here. I got a level 24.10. They start closing, getting some bearish candles under there. Next level down, they're going to try to get to this low that they made at 23.75. Once they start breaking through that, we'll handle in real time, but try to run to this area down here, 23.50. And these are nice moves with the right amount of contracts, and Palantir can make some money off that. These are beginners that don't want to spend a lot of money on SPY and Tesla, newbie plays where you ain't blowing your account, throwing a whole lot of money in SPY, Tesla, Nvidia. With these low dollar tickers, you still got to have a game plan. You just can't go in there and think because it's a newbie play that gonna make money on there. You still have to follow the proper technicals and your game plan and all that good stuff. And most important, you got to have risk management added to your game plan. If you ain't got a stop loss and this thing goes the other way, man, you got to have something that say, hello, no more, red alert. Get out of that play right there and look for another entry, whether it's going back up or playing games and it's going to come back down. You got to have a game plan and stop loss, risk management. If you don't have that added into your play, you shouldn't even be getting into play. One other area of interest that I have at 20.50. Once we get to that level down there, then I'll start being interested in calls again, because they got rejected so many times at this level right here. If you go scroll backwards, you see once they tap down here, they always got that green candle and pop right back up. Me personally, D Fresh, not interested in calls till we get to that level down there around 20.50. If we don't get there, we don't get there. It is what it is. I'm cool with hitting the sideline. All right, we're going to jump into our next ticker, HUT. With HUT, what you want to see if you are a bull, they closed, they had a little run up at closing, but what you want to see is level right around here. You want to see if the bulls still want to run this thing up. You want to see 12.45 get taken out. They can start taking out 12.45. You got another chef level up here about 12.60. If they keep moving on that bullish trend, you want to see this level up here get taken out, 12.84. If they can start taking out that, they're going to attempt to try to run this thing back up. That's what you want to see if you are a bull. If you are a bear, you want to see these lows right here get taken out. If they can start taking out 12.20, they got room to run down south. All right, we're going to keep this moving. We're going to hit INTC. As you see, they followed that same trend. They had a little pump up at closing. What you want to see if you are a bull, you want to see the opening start smacking through 21.55. They can get through that 21.55. You got another area over here at 21.65. They start breaking through that. You got one more area of interest at 22 even. They break through that, man, they can start running all the way back up top. Again, don't jump into the first red or green candle you see. Wait for confirmation, and even still, you can have all your confirmations and set. At the end of the day, no one trader out there knows exactly what the market is going to do. That's why it's things in place that you have to be ready for to be able to protect you when things go left. If I sit here and say that I knock it out of the ballpark with every single play that I jump in, that would be not accurate. That would be untrue. But I have a stop loss in place. If I take this play right here, if I'm being greedy and I jump into that, to me, that's a reversal candle. I'm like, all right, it's been coming down. I get this reversal candle right here. I see this boom, boom candle. Boom. I'm jumping into that candle right there. Then what do I get? I get that red candle. I'm scared, but I have a stop loss at that reversal. That way, if it gets back down to that reversal, I'm getting out of that play right there. One thing that would have made me money, I respect the 9 EMA. That plays a lot into my entries and exits. It never went through the 9 EMA. What happened? It bounced off the 9 EMA. Boom, went right back up. Boom, that would have been a profitable play right there. But you see that red candle right here? I'd have probably cashed out right here as soon as it started dropping because I'm not greedy. I'm full believer and see profits, take profits. I've been burnt so many times by trying to get to $1,000 or get to $2,000, and I'm at $1,700 and like, man, I need that extra $300. Let me push it to the limit, and then you get that red candle. Boom, complete erases your gains. It's okay to take the $600 gain. It's okay to take the $250 gains because I'd rather take the $250 gain right here than get this candle right here and it smacked me back down and now I'm down $50. That's a swing that you don't want to be part of. It messes the rest of your day up. Again, if you are a bear, what you want to see levels at 2120 get taken out. Then you want to see 2110 break. They break that, they're going to run this thing back down to 2090 break. Then we coming down here to 2080. This is the break that you really want to see to make money in that 2042 break. They break that, they got room to run down. We're going to jump into the big boy plays, the SPY, the Nvidias, the Tesla. With SPY, they're sitting at 532.98. If you a bull, you want to see either pre-market numbers higher than that. But if we sitting where we're sitting right now, you want to see 533.55 get taken out. They take out that, they're going to try to make a push to 536.40. That next area up here, you got some turbulence there. We can start taking out 537. They got some turbulence at 537.50. Break through that, we running back up to 539, and we're going to jump back into that 540 area. If you are a bear, you want to see 530.55 taken out. They can start taking that out. You got to drop down to 529.61. They break that. We moving over to our next shelf level, which is 528.60. They break through 528.60. We coming down. You can count on it. We coming down to 527 break. They can break that. That may produce a big bounce for the bulls. You have to be ready for that. Again, don't be greedy in your plays, as we know we don't marry directions. Let's go ahead and jump into Tesla. With Tesla, what you want to see at opening, you want to see bulls somewhere above 209 area. They start breaking 209, they can start running up to 210.32. We got another area of interest at 211.50. We start breaking that right there, they're going to slowly start creeping up. Level of interest at 213.10. They start breaking through that. They're going to chop through here. And then we got 215.70. 215.70 get taken out. Look for 217.50 in the higher stuff. If you are a bear, what you want to see 205.80 get taken out. They can take out 205.80. They're going to start going down. Bears start closing candles under that level right there. Hello 203, hello 200, possibly start looking at 198 area. Can bounce from any of those targets down. Let's go ahead and jump into our next ticker. We're going to speed rush this thing for time's sake. Guys, if you are in Nvidia been giving you plays going up. They've been giving you plays going down. If you are a bull, you want to see pre-market numbers open above 107.60. And if so, you want to see this level at 108.70 get taken out. They can start taking out 107.80. You come into 109.50. And then we can start that chop back up to the higher stuff at another chef level at 111.90. They start breaking through that, they got more room to run up. If you are a bear, you want to see 105.60 get taken out. They can take out that. You got another level at 104.50. They break through that. You want to see 101.40 get taken out. They start closing candles under 101.40. Nvidia's headed down. 100 even, 98, 96, 95. And if bears really want to bring it, that test 93. But again, see profits, take profits, because that thing can cause a major explosion back to the north side. All right, let's cover one last ticker that so many people are into, XOM. Exxon Mobil. A lot of people following this play right here. If you are a bull, you want to see pre-market numbers either start at 117.05 or higher. They hold above that, start getting some green candles. Man, they can start their little trip back up. I have a level at 117.65. They start breaking through that right there. See this double top right here get taken out. They can take out the twin towers at 118.85. You got room to start running up, especially if it's a strong green bullish day. You're going to start seeing them jack this thing all the way back up north. If you are a bear, you want to see this shelf level right here at 116.50 get taken out. They can take out 116.50. They coming back down to 116 even. You want to see 115.40 get taken out. If bears start closing candles under 115.40, they coming down. You can bet on it. They're going to start coming down to the lower numbers. Anytime once we get a quick rundown, that's an area of interest where the bulls can pop that thing up. What you want to do, you want to be patient. You want to start seeing some candles close under 115.40. And then you want to execute your play. Again, make sure your stop loss is added in there because you don't want to destroy an account. I keep seeing people blowing up their accounts because they see the first red candle open up and they jump right into it and they don't know how to get out. Have a plan. That way, when stuff goes left, you ain't worried about it. You getting up out of that play with minimum loss. Part of this game is wins and it's also losses. You got to be able to execute and know how to knock both of those plays out of the ballpark. It is a such thing as a good loss. To all my Floridian peeps out there, it's that time of year. We got that little sneaky devil down here. And if you look, we have tropical storm on the horizon. We have a hurricane. It's going to be forming before it makes landfall. You Floridian people out here, I'm one of them. Let's stay safe out there. Let's not be out there on the roads. We want to make it through this hurricane. With that being said, guys, I'm not going to take much more of your time, but hey, if you like this kind of content, do me a favor, go ahead and hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get notified. If you like sniper type periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, AMD, Palantir, go ahead and tap into our Discord. The link is in the description below. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there and let's get it. Boom.